Welcome to our special report. Today, we examine the 4 key pillars driving Rwanda's remarkable journey towards sustainable development and national prosperity. First, education. By prioritizing human capital and digital literacy, Rwanda is equipping its youth with the skills needed for a modern, innovation-led economy. Agriculture remains the backbone of the economy. Through modern techniques and food security initiatives, it ensures the well-being and resilience of millions. Infrastructure is the bridge to social connectivity. Expanded road networks and energy access are transforming trade and bringing citizens closer together. Finally, diplomacy. Rwanda's active global presence and regional partnerships have bolstered its reputation as a model of post-conflict recovery and stability. Together, these 4 pillars are shaping a resilient and prosperous future. For Maranatha TV5, I'm reporting on Rwanda's path forward. Thank you for joining us for this special look at Rwanda's development. Stay tuned for more updates on our nation's progress.